Okay, so now we're going to tear down a Springfield Wildcat. There we go. So the first thing to do, of course, always is to unload it. Make sure it's unloaded. Lock it back. Check visually and physically. All right. Then once it's in that position, it's in the perfect position. Up. Release. Pull the trigger. And it comes apart. Simple, easy peasy. Wish 911s did that. Less hassle. There it is, nice and clean. Actually, it's never been fired. We're going to go to the range next week and practice with it. There we go. Slide back. Oh, all the way, simple. Trying to do the 911 thing. Down, release, pull the trigger. Good to go. Up, get ready to carry, round, and off we go.